Hey everyone, my name is Nicholas Chandler. My presentation is two wheels, one decision, selecting the right motorcycle for you. Imagine speeding through the twisties on a sleek sport bike, rolling comfortably down the highway on a cruiser, or exploring mountain roads on a street legal dirt bike. Each of these motorcycles is designed for different experiences and purposes, demonstrating how diverse the world of motorcycling can be. Riders can choose the right motorcycle when they understand the differences between cruisers, sport bikes, and dual sports. At some point, many people will consider riding a motorcycle. With so many options available, choosing the right one can be confusing. Understanding these key differences will help riders make safer, more enjoyable, and better informed decisions. I have been riding for 6 years and have owned 6 different motorcycles. Through my personal experience, along with credible information from thecoollist.com, bikebrands.org, and ridershare.com, I have gained valuable insight into the distinct characteristics of these bikes. Today I will compare 3 major categories of motorcycles by analyzing their engines, ergonomics, and the environments they are best suited for. First, cruisers, then sport bikes, and last, dual sports. Now that we have an overview of the purpose of this speech, let's begin with one of the most recognizable and comfortable motorcycle styles, the cruiser, which is this bike right here. Cruisers are laid-back motorcycles, known for their comfort, control, and classic design. They're often chosen for long highway rides and everyday commuting because they combine style with stability. The engines in cruisers emphasize steady torque and smooth power delivery. These motorcycles typically feature larger 2-cylinder engines that produce consistent performance and reliability. Cruisers provide strong low-end power, which makes them perfect for riders who prefer smooth and predictable acceleration rather than top-end speed. According to the Coolest 2025, cruisers prioritize comfort and control, giving riders a smooth, dependable ride, whether on streets or highways. The ergonomics of cruisers are designed for comfort and ease of handling. They usually have low seat heights and upright riding positions that reduce fatigue on longer rides. Their relaxed posture allows for comfortable riding experience during extended trips. However, their heavier weight and wider turn radius make them less agile than other types of motorcycles. Cruisers are best suited for paved roads, long-distance travel, where stability and comfort are most important. These motorcycles perform best on highways and urban roads with smooth surfaces. The Coolest 2025 also explains that cruisers are not built for racing or off-road conditions, but for steady and enjoyable riding experiences. Now that we understand how cruisers emphasize comfort and control, let's move on to sport bikes, which focus on speed and performance. This is a sport bike. Sport bikes are high-performance motorcycles built for speed, agility, and excitement. These are designed for precision handling. The engines in sport bikes are engineered for high RPMs and top-end power. These motorcycles are often used in racing and are capable of impressive speeds. Sport bikes commonly feature multi-cylinder engines that generate high horsepower and quick throttle response. According to bikebrands.org 2025, sport bikes are designed for riders who crave performance, with engines tuned for sharp acceleration and cornering. The ergonomics of sport bikes emphasize aerodynamics and control. Riders lean forward, positioning their weight to maintain stability at high speeds. This posture gives rider better control in turns and reduces wind resistance. However, the aggressive riding position can cause discomfort on longer rides or during city commutes. Sport bikes perform best in environments that prioritize precision and speed, such as racetracks or winding highways. Their lightweight frames and suspension systems allow riders to maneuver quickly through curves and corners. However, these motorcycles are not ideal for beginners or those seeking relaxed, casual rides. We've explored comfort with cruisers and speed with sport bikes. Now let's discuss motorcycles that can handle nearly any terrain. The dual sport. That's a dual sport. The engines in dual sport motorcycles are designed for balance and adaptability. They are usually single-cylinder engines that offer manageable power across different terrains. These motorcycles are lighter than cruisers and sport bikes, making them easier to control on dirt roads and trails. Ridershare.com 2025 explains that dual sports are built with durable frames and reliable engines that transition seamlessly from pavement to dirt. The ergonomics of dual sports prioritize control and visibility. They have a taller seat height and upright riding posture to help riders maintain rough terrain. The height of the bike provides excellent ground clearance for navigating rocks and obstacles. While this design makes them ideal for off-road use, it can be intimidating for shorter riders. Dual sport motorcycles are ideal for riders who seek versatility and adventure beyond city limits. They are capable of handling paved roads, gravel paths, and dirt trails with equal efficiency. Riders often choose dual sports for their ability to provide freedom, adventure, and the thrill of exploration. Now that we've reviewed comfort, speed, and versatility, it's time to summarize what we've learned. In conclusion, understanding the key characteristics of cruisers, sport bikes, and dual sports helps riders make safe and more enjoyable choices. Each type of motorcycle serves a unique purpose and appeals to different riding preferences. Cruisers offer comfort and stability for those who love long, relaxed rides. Sport bikes offer thrilling speed and precision for performance enthusiasts. Dual sport delivers unmatched versatility and adventure for riders who want to explore beyond the pavement. Motorcycling is about more than transportation. It's a personal experience that reflects individual freedom and style. Whether you enjoy cruising down the highway, carving corners, or exploring off-road trails, there's a motorcycle designed just for you. As comedian Dan Aykroyd once said, "You don't need a therapist if you ride a motorcycle." For many riders, the road itself is the best kind of therapy. Thank you.